Alright, I don't really want to draw this out too much, but what you are looking at is a demo using a few mods and stuff of Exagear, Windows emulator for Android. And what I'm doing in this video is I'm going to be launching Blender 2.79 on my Android tablet. Now this was my first test using this emulator. It's got Wine installed on it, and so far it's absolutely great. I love it a lot. But yeah, in the end, what it was able to do was it was able to get some kind of, like, I almost want to say Windows XP style version of Windows running on my Android device, which was able to run a full-fledged version of Blender. Everything works. So this is not unlike the Blender player. You can, in fact, run the game engine properly. You can run cycles if you want. You can do all that stuff, and it's got connections to the Android file system, so it's not like it's missing anything. This one won't crash intermittently. You can use other apps while you're using this. Let's see what else. Yeah, it works great. I was able to get the game engine running with a bit of effort. You know, I would recommend plugging in a keyboard and a mouse with this. Honestly, make your life a lot easier. If you can, of course. I'd probably use a tablet also. The extra screen space will help a lot. But if you have a large enough phone, I'm sure you can get it running. Also, use something higher specs than I do. When I release the tutorial, I'll be using a better spec tablet to show this off. I was doing the test on my older device, and it works. But you know, I think it'll be better with the addition of the newer tablet. But anyways, this is just the demo, and I will definitely be getting it working a working tutorial out very, very soon. I was unable to get Blender 2.8 running, which is something I know I was trying to do for a while. Originally, I was trying to get a project involving Debian No Root running, based on an article I found on the Blender Artists forum, but that turned out to not really. It's something there's a library for there's a Mesa library that doesn't exist anymore, that I was unable to get a hold of, and so it kind of failed beyond that point. But I was able to get Blender 2.79 running in this emulator. I tried Blender 2.8 and a bunch of different releases, Blender 2.8 and some of the newer versions of 2.7. None of them worked. This is the most modern version of Blender I could get my hands on to work in this emulator. Still, it works very well, and this is one of the more modern releases. I mean, it's certainly better than 2.6 ancient, like Blender player is running. So it's definitely an improvement on that. So with that, this is how you get a modern copy of Blender running on Android. Thank you all for watching. I will continue to experiment with this, and if I get Blender 2.8 running, I will definitely update this with a new tutorial alongside the one that will be coming out for Blender 2.79. Thank you all for watching. I'm Lobology. Yeah, goodbye.